Hi and welcome to my course. During this course you will learn how to create feather earrings with embroidered top part. Feather earrings are created from two different colors of feathers, and during the embroidery we use big crystals, small crystals and seed beads. After completing this course you will be able to create your perfect feather earrings. Our earrings are ready. Thank you very much for your choice, for completing this course. Now you are able to create your own perfect feather earrings with embroidered top part. I hope this course was useful for you and see you soon in my new courses.